recording at 6727 15th Northwest. This recording's for you, Art. I just want to show what we got. So I'm going through our repair out in the sidewalk here, or close to the sidewalk in the driveway, and I want to show you this section of line that it's clogging at. You see that toilet paper right there? That's part of what's clogging us up. The toilet paper's not making it through this turn. So this is a turn, and that's where the other half of the building connects to this sewer. So at this turn, it comes around, and we've got a cracked section of pipe here. It's really hard to see, but there's a little bit of a lip in the pipe right there, right at the turn. So it turns, and then the stuff's all getting stuck right there, right after the turn. So there's just toilet paper and waste that's hitting this lip, and then is unable to make it around the turn, and then it's been backing up. So that's about 3-4 feet down past where our repair ended, and then it hits that lip, and then it hits that turn. So we'd have to repair more of this pipe in order to get it completely fixed. So I'll write something up along those lines, and we'll go from there. I've also made a mark out here on the sidewalk, kind of where I'm talking about. So there's the sidewalk, there's 15th going by, and that's what I'm talking about. There's a turn and a Y right there. So I'm going to end the video now, shoot this over to you, and then shoot you a proposal as well.